Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi for beginners. First, let's master the rice. Start with 1 cup of short-grain Japanese rice, rinsing it several times until the water is completely clear. Cook the rice with 1 1/4 cups of water. Once cooked, gently fold in a seasoning made from rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt while the rice is still warm. This creates the perfect sticky, flavorful base for your sushi. Next, prepare your nori and fillings. Lay a sheet of nori, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread about 3/4 of a cup of seasoned rice evenly over 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Now, add your favorite fillings in a neat line across the center of the rice. Think about fresh vegetables like cucumber and avocado, or cooked options such as shrimp or imitation crab. Now for the fun part, rolling. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing it over the fillings and tucking it under to meet the rice on the other side. Apply gentle, even pressure with your fingers as you continue to roll forward, creating a tight cylinder. Moisten the exposed nori edge with a little water to seal the roll completely. This ensures your sushi stays together beautifully. Finally, it's time to cut and serve your delicious sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to slice the roll. Make sure to wipe the blade clean between each cut to prevent sticking. Cut the roll in half first, then cut each half into 3 or 4 equal pieces, aiming for 6 to 8 pieces total. Arrange your sushi artfully on a plate and serve immediately with soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.